Alright, what's up guys? So I'm bringing you a quick little video today. It's ignition coil cover, some Mugen. You know, I'm just decided to make a video since you don't really see one out. Even though it shouldn't be hard to put in, but it already comes with the hardware for it, so let's just get right into it. There it is. Take a cover photo real quick. Alright, so as you probably seen in the video, I guess I tightened it too much and it stripped. So there's that. But it looks simple. Just messed that one up, so I'm gonna need to drill that out or something. I don't know, but let's keep. This wind. Just keep going. Oh no, that's not good. Let's keep this up here. All right, so hopefully it doesn't happen again. I won't tighten it all the way this time. This, and then it says we put this, and then a washer. This is gonna go inside, and then Yeah, so we got the washer here, We're just gonna do without that one for now. And yeah. They fell on the floor. Yeah, I don't know if I have more of them in gold. Tighten it. Alright, I'll just stop there. But yeah, so that's the final look. Just like I said, I messed up here. I don't know why I kept tightening. I was about to stop and it snapped, but it's a quick video just to get some content out there. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think, how it looks.